diagram shows the arrangement of metals, atoms for the material X or Y and Z. So we know that if they are from the same size, so they are pure metals. Okay, they are pure metals. All are the same size, right? Same type, same size. But this one for material Z, it has two types of different particles here, or atoms here. So carbon and iron. Okay, you know that iron and carbon. Carbon smaller. Okay, now which method is suitable to be used to make the structure of the building? So it should be the Z. Okay, correct. So mark your answer. It should be the material Z. Okay. Oh, it is what? Actually, this one is the steel, right? Okay, steel. So explain your answer. So how do we answer this one? We have to mention about this, the properties, all right? Okay, so suggested answer, you check your own answer, see whether you get the points correctly. So it can, it has the high compression strength, high stretching strength. It can resistant to corrosion, high tensile strength. It is stronger or harder. Okay, so any question? This one is a suggested answer, or you have different answer? Do you have different answer no? Or Sian? Anyone you have different answer? 3 marks. 3 marks. Explain your answer. I think we should explain based on the hardness on it, right? Most suitable. Okay, this one is the properties. Properties are also accepted. But I think if you want to explain in terms of different sizes, okay, it can reduce the layers from the layers of the atoms from sliding. That one also can. Okay, now we go to the police. Okay, table shows the composition and the uses of 3 types of alloy here. So R, okay, copper, tin, and then making trophies. Brass, 70% copper, 30% zinc. Make the keys, duralumin, aluminium, copper, magnesium, and manganese. So make the body of the aeroplanes. Okay, so what is R, class? R is bronze, bronze. Okay, it's bronze. So the other use of the alloy for bronze, okay, making monuments or making the medals, medals. Okay, so you can write down the answer. Okay, then we look into this one. Okay, Ahmad is a national cyclist. Suggests a type of alloy that can be suitable to manufacture the Ahmad racing car. Okay, so it should be using the duralumin. Although this duralumin, normally we know that it is used to make the body of the aeroplanes, right? Okay, but this one, like Azizo, okay, Azizo, the bicycle, actually that bicycle is very expensive and then very light one. Okay, they can use the duralumin to make it. Okay, why it is harder and then do not rust, and then it is lighter. Okay, because they need to spring during the racing competition. Okay, yeah. So duralumin. Okay, any other answer? Any question you want to ask? Okay, you can ask if you have anything you want to, you are not sure. So you are given bronze key and a brass key. Okay, huh? Then every key has the same mass, okay, of 140 gram. Calculate the mass of the copper in each of the key. Okay, so this one actually you can calculate now. You can calculate. Okay, so total is 140 gram. So the mass of the copper. So you go to see the bronze. Bronze here you see 90 10. So meaning that we can directly convert it. This one it has 100 gram. Oh, so copper is 90 gram, right? Okay, so 90 over oh, 90 over 100, no? Then times 140. Okay. So this one how many percent? So 90%, right? Over 100 times 140 gram. So it's 126 gram. Okay, 126 gram. Okay, so same case with the brass. So we go to the brass here. Brass is here, 70, 30. Okay, so what is the mass of the copper in the brass? So what is the answer? Can you type your answer? Ivy, what is the answer? How many grams for the brass key? Or any other students you have calculated already? Yeah, anyone? Okay, 98, 98, okay. So correct, okay, Iris, good. So 70 over 100, meaning that 70%, 0.7 times 140, so 98%, 98 grams is consists of the copper. Okay, so 2 marks. Now, okay, diagram shows the apparatus to compare the hardness of the bronze and its pure metals. So that there we try already in the lab. Okay, so weigh 1 kilogram, meter ruler, the tab, and then steel ball, then the block. Okay, so the block we change with the pure and then the alloy block. Okay, so here we use the bronze and copper, bronze block and then the copper block. Okay, so the diameter of the dent for the copper is 0.8, bronze is 0.6. Okay, so explain the difference of the diameter of the dent form. Okay, so how do we explain this? So let's say we point number 1. Okay, so for copper block, we look into the English version. So copper block, it consists of same size of atoms, which are orderly arranged. Okay, orderly arranged, and easily slide when force is applied. Okay. Then for the bronze block, okay, it consists of what? Atoms of different sizes. Okay, atoms of different sizes. Let's see. Okay, and then it is not arranged in orderly. Okay, and then it is difficult to slide when the force is applied. Okay, this one not English version. Okay, it consists of atoms of different sizes. Okay, and disrupt the orderly arrangement of atoms, right? Okay, then the layers of atoms are difficult to slide when force is applied. Okay. Any question? Okay, next we look into this one. I think almost the same now. Okay, diagram shows A. Diagram shows two types of substance that frequently used in the construction of a high-rise building. I think it's the same as the sound. So what is X? So X is a carbon, right? Okay, this is now the questions. High-rise building meaning that it's a steel, right? Okay, steel. So carbon. Okay, write down. What is substance X? Is a carbon. Okay, now in the construction of high-rise buildings, the substance B is used more in the construction industry. Okay, give your reasons. Okay, why? It is stronger or harder, and then it is more resistant to corrosion or rusting. Okay, and then it is malleable. Okay, actually malleable is for the pure metals, right? So we don't put this, okay? We cancel this. Okay, it is harder, stronger, or resistant to corrosion or rusting. Okay. Okay, now one jetty pillar was hit by a ferry and caused it to break. As an engineer, choose one of the substances in diagrams and what should be done with the substance to strengthen the jetty pillar. Give a reason. Okay, so choose substance B. Yeah, that is the steel, right? Okay, steel. So what should be done? Okay. Let me check. Okay, the mixture of the cement, stone, and the sand. Okay. It has a high compression strength, high stretching strength, resistant to corrosion, high tensile strength, and then stronger or harder. Oh, this one is a reason. Okay. Substance B, yeah? Choose the substance B. Okay, now table 5 shows the information about two types of glasses, P and Q. So P is silica, sodium carbonate, calcium carbonate, used to make the window glass or window panel. Q is a silica, window glass. Okay, silver chloride, calcium carbonate. Okay, so both are used to make the window glass. Okay, but it has different. It has different property. Okay. you will look into the composition. So class, can you guess what is the type of glass for a P? So the sodium carbonate, calcium carbonate, and then the silica. What is this glass actually? Soda lime glass. Okay, very good. Let's see. Okay, now for Q, silica, silver chloride, calcium carbonate. Okay, what is this glass actually? It makes the window glass also. But what is this type of glass? If you see this one, the clue here, silver chloride, put in the glass, so it forms what glass is formed. Anyone know? Try to predict. Anyone? Darren, Iris? What type of glass? The one it will change. Intensity. Yeah? Okay. Under the sunlight, under the UV light, right? Okay. You change the intensity, and then go into the room. You change back to transparent, right? Still remember that glass? What is the name for that glass? It is sensitive to light, sensitive to light. So we call it what? Photochromic glass, photochromic glass. Oh, still remember? So step 2, similarity of the property for glass P and Q. They are transparent, okay, inert to chemicals, heat insulator, okay, electrical insulator, okay, resistant to hard but brittle, okay, hard but brittle, okay. This one is water resistant, okay, water resistant. Okay, any two, any two. You can write any two. Okay. So, if you wish to install a glass window at a house that is able to prevent the ultraviolet ray, so which type of glass will be chosen? So, give your reason. So, just now I mentioned already, is the Q, Q. Okay. There is the photochromic glass. Okay, give your reason. Okay, why? Why you choose this one? Photochromic glass. So it can prevent, right? It can block the UV light, right? But what should you write for your answer, class? Okay, so we have discussed in the class already. Okay, now we revise back. Okay, under photochromic glass, right? Photochromic glass. Okay, so you can write down this one. It is darkened when exposed to bright light or UV light now, and clear in the dim light. Okay, and then you can directly block the UV light actually. When it is darkened, right, it actually blocks the UV light. So you can write this one. It is darkened when exposed to bright light or UV light, and it is clear in the dim light. Okay, when it is no UV light. Okay, next. Okay, state one other uses of the glass that you state in the 8, meaning that this one. Okay, so used to make the vehicle windows, okay, or car windows, camera lenses, eyeglasses, or spectacles, okay. This one is reject, reject. Specs, so it should be spectacles, okay, glass, okay, sunglasses cannot, because sunglasses always is darkened already, so it cannot be, because photochromic glass it will change, right? Under the sunlight it turns darker, but in the room then it will be becomes transparent again. Okay, sunglasses it won't change, it always is dark one, right? Side mirror of the vehicles, so not the use of this photochromic glass. Okay, now we look into the Selangor set 3, course 02, the second questions. Okay, table shows 2 types of manufactured substances in industry, alloy and composite wire, copper and tin, this one concrete, and then alloy Z. Okay, so name the alloy X. Copper and tin, class, what is this alloy? Okay, once you see this, very popular one. Okay, copper and tin, so this one is a bronze, right? Okay, bronze. Okay, now explain why alloy X is harder than its pure metal. Okay, so roughly 2 marks, right? Okay, so alloy X, so that's bronze. Why it is harder than its copper, the pure metal copper? Okay, so first, the different atomic sizes of tin disrupt the orderly arrangement of atoms in the pure metals. Okay, so different size of the atoms disrupt the orderly arrangement of the atoms. Then the layers of atoms difficult to slide over one another when the force is applied. Okay, so 2 marks, 2 marks. Okay, next, name the composite material Y and alloy Z. Okay, so here you can see, composite material, you have concrete, and then alloy Z. So what is this? Any idea, class? Try to guess. Anyone you have write the answer for this question? Reinforced concrete. Okay, reinforced concrete. So what is the Z? Is the steel. Steel. Steel is the alloy. Alloy. It's the mixture of iron and carbon. Iron and carbon. Okay, good. Really? This one is iron plus carbon. Okay, so 2 marks. Now next question. So copper. Okay, then this is a bronze. I think this one I definitely know what is this already. So bronze is a copper with what? X is what? Tin. Oh, very simple, Okay, tin. Okay, next you can see based on bronze is harder. So again, you will see this question is very popular in the SPM. So always ask. So get ready. Okay. The answer. So tin atoms of different sizes, okay, disrupt the orderly arrangement of copper atoms in the pure metals, alright? Then the layers of atoms in bronze difficult to slide over one another when the force is applied. So make sure that you put in the keywords like force. You must mention about the force is applied. Okay, layers of atoms are difficult to slide over one another. This one different size. Okay, disrupt the orderly arrangement. Okay, again with the same thing. Huh? Okay, so in here I repeat one more time. Huh? Okay, don't use the word prevent. Huh? You can use reduce. Reduce the layers of atoms to slide over. Huh? That one can, but prevent cannot. It still can slide. It is not totally cannot slide. Huh? Okay. But you say difficult to slide is correct. Huh? Difficult to slide. Okay, P. There are two types of glass, P and Q. Okay, P is silica, sodium carbonate, boron oxide, aluminium oxide. Q is silica, sodium carbonate, calcium carbonate. Okay, so class, what is P? What is Q? Anyone you have, you know what is P and what is Q? Q just now we discussed already. So what is Q, class? It is soda lime, right? Okay, soda lime. But how about the P? What is glass P? Anyone know? Borosilicate. Yes, borosilicate. Okay, you see this one very easy to recognize. Boron oxide. If it has a boron oxide, it means that it is a borosilicate glass. Okay, now if you want to use the glass pot for cooking purpose, suggest what type of glass is suitable to make the pot. Give a reason. So soda lime definitely cannot. Also, we have to choose the borosilicate. The P. P. So glass P. Okay, give you a reason. It is more resistant to heat when heated to a very high temperature. Okay. Or we can write it can withstand high temperature. Correct also, huh? Okay, now next is the para. Para set 2. There are 4 types of glasses that are used in our daily life. Okay, name the major component of glass. So this one is silica or silicon dioxide or silicon 4 oxide. Okay. Now table shows the type of type of glasses and their uses. Okay, so borosilicate glass, cookware, laboratory glassware. Number 2 is decorative lamp or prisms. Number 3 is a bottle or and a mirror. Okay, so class, this one already given. So number 2, decorative lamp and then the prism. So what is type of glass here? Or second one? What type of glass? Lead to glass. Lead glass or lead crystal glass. Number 3 is a soda lime. Yes, soda lime glass. Okay, very good. Ready? Correct. Okay, B. So diagram shows the example of use of composite material in the bridge construction structures. So what is the meaning of composite material? So this one is definition. So the materials made from the combining 2 or more non-homogeneous substances, okay, which are matrix substance and strengthening substance. So this one we cannot simplify it. So you have to mention all these things. 2 or more non-homogeneous substances, okay, which are matrix and then strengthening substance. Okay, name the composite material used in the diagram 1. So what is this? What is used in this? It's a concrete, right? For high-rise buildings and then bridge construction structure. So it's a reinforced concrete. Okay, reinforced concrete. Okay, now how about this alloy? Okay, state the meaning of alloy. Okay, it's a mixture of 2 or more elements where the main elements is a metal. You must mention main elements is a metal. mixture of two or more elements in the compound. Okay, so 1 mark. Okay, the alloy for making this key, so it's the brass. Okay, it's brass. Step 2, elements that produce the alloy for your answer here. Okay, brass. In the brass, what are the elements? Okay, copper and zinc. Okay, copper and zinc for brass. Okay, so diagram shows the white clay used to make the white pottery. Okay, so Kaolin, how do you want to produce a green colored pottery? This one. How do we make the colored one? Okay, so we can add in iron 2 oxide. No? Iron 2 oxide. Iron 2 is green color. Okay, so iron 2 oxide compound contains iron 2 ions that give a green color. Okay, so iron 2 oxide. The table shows the example and the component for 2 types of manufactured substances in industry. Okay, ceramic, silicon carbide, silicon carbon. Then P is the reinforced concrete to build the buildings. So in the components are cement, sand, small peppers, and steel. Okay, name the P. So what is P, class? It's a composite materials. Composite materials. Okay. Now state the use. Let me see. Okay, state the use of the reinforced concrete. Okay, so reinforced concrete used to what? Make the high-rise building. Okay, make the framework of the buildings, especially the high-rise buildings, and then make the bridges also. Okay, what is the advantage of using the reinforced concrete compared to the concrete? So what is your answer, class? Advantage. Anyone, you have write something? Okay. It can withstand high. Yes, withstand applied very high force. Okay, high pressure. Okay. What else? Any one? Okay, how many mark? 1 mark. Yeah, any one of these. Withstand applied very high force. Okay, with high pressure. Support heavier loads, stronger, higher tensile strength than the concrete. Okay, so you can choose any one. Any one. It can withstand higher pressure than concrete. Okay, you have to mention about than concrete. It supports heavier loads than concrete. It is stronger than concrete. Okay. Okay, huh? Now name the category for the ceramic for silicon carbide. So class, this one is under which type of ceramic, class? Advanced ceramic. Okay, good. Ready? Advanced ceramic. Okay, advanced. We seldom use the modern ceramic. Okay, advanced ceramic. Okay, now state the use of the silicon carbide. So what is it? It is used to make what? We have discussed this, right? Okay, make the disc cutter. Very good. Disc cutter, not cutter this, disc cutter. Okay. Next diagram shows 2 pairs of spectacles. Okay, from 2 different types of lenses. Okay, so again, you see this one. In the under the sunlight, it turns darkened. Okay, when it enters to the dark room, it becomes transparent. Okay, so lens for the spectacle Y is made from the fused glass, fused silicon glass, while the lenses for Z is made from the photochromic glass, which turn dark when exposed to sunlight. So step 2, photochromic materials used in the spectacles for lenses B. Is it B? Should be Z, right? Lenses B for the Z now, Z, not B. Okay, so what is a material? Normally one here asks you to give 2. Okay, silver chloride, yes. Okay, another one is copper 1 chloride. Okay, copper 1 chloride. Okay, this one more common now. Silver chloride more common. Okay. Then copper will be copper 1, not copper 2. Copper 1 chloride. So here asks you to give 2, so you write 2. But this one more common, huh? The first one, silver chloride, more common. Okay, next step, the advantage of the photochromic glass. Here, it can protect the user from UV light, or UV ray. Protect the user from UV ray. Okay. Now this one is a maglev trend. Okay, this electric trend can reach a speed of 581 km per hour. Very fast already. So state the appropriate alloy used in this transport. So alloy, the body, so duralumin. Why it is used in the making the body of the bullet train class? What is the property? What is the property class for duralumin? Okay, light, hard, and strong. Okay, very good. Hard and strong, light. Okay. Okay. So next, diagram shows a great pyramid of Giza, which is made up from ceramic. According to the analysis, this pyramid was built between 2560 and 2580 before century. Before century. Okay, now state the meaning of ceramic. Okay, so it's a solid made up of inorganic and non-metallic substances. Okay, inorganic and non-metallic substances. Okay, now state one characteristics of ceramic that allows a great pyramid. Okay, it still can until now still have there, right? Okay, very strong. Okay, what is the property? It is very hard and strong, and then chemically inert. Hard and strong, chemically inert. Okay, now table shows 5 types of composite materials. VWX and their components. 5 types. Only 3 types, right? Okay, why got 5 types? 3 types actually. Okay, V is glass, copper 1, silver chloride. This one just now we mentioned already, huh? So I think you should know what is this already. And then W, okay, this one, yttrium carbonate, barium carbonate, copper 2 carbonate, oxygen. And then X is concrete and steel. Concrete and steel. So V, what is the VE class? Composite materials. What is this? V. It has silver chloride and then glass. So this one is a photochromic glass, right? Okay. Then how about W? What is W? Anyone know? Okay, superconductor. Yes, very good. Then X, concrete and steel. So it is reinforced concrete. Okay, very good. Okay, so 3 marks. Okay. Now, okay, composite materials W. So W is the superconductor. Used to make the supermagnet. State the 2 characteristics that make the composite material W suitable to make the electromagnet. Based on their characteristics, give an example of the use of composite materials in the medical field. Okay, so what is the characteristics of superconductor? So it is light, okay, strong magnetic force, okay, like strong magnetic force, okay. Then it can be used in the medical field, right? So magnetic resonance imaging machine, MRI, MRI, okay. Okay. So diagram shows the pair of spectacles which is lens back from the glass X. So, okay. So glass X, what is the main component? It's a silica or silicon dioxide. Okay, silica or silicon dioxide for glass. For glass. Okay. So state the type of glass for making the lenses. Okay, lenses will be fused glass. Fused glass. Okay, this one no need. Okay, no need silica. Normally we just say fused glass. Enough. Fused glass. Okay. On a hot day, the eyes becomes uncomfortable due to the exposure of the eyes to the bright lights. Suggest a suitable glass to replace the glass X to solve the problems. Okay, so we can use a photochromic glass. Okay, so the glass, it will turns dark. Okay, it will turns dark when exposed to light, and then silver atoms prevent the passage of the lights here. Okay, so it can help the person to becomes more comfortable. Okay, when exposed to the bright lights. Okay, so it's a photochromic glass. Okay, diagram shows the atoms in the A and B. Okay, copper and tin. Okay, again, same question, right? Okay, so which of the substances most suitable to make the metals? Okay, I think you should know the answer. Should be substance B, right? Justify your answer. So you should choose substance B. It is stronger, more resistant to corrosion, and then more attractive, right? The appearance is nicer. Okay, it is more attractive. Okay, making the metal.